Family entertainment is what Broil King is all about. That's why the Regal series is the perfect choice. Broil King's legendary cooking system gives you the ability to cook almost anything on your grill and in any style you desire. Designed for the outdoor chef who wants the best in both style and performance, get ready for the Regal series. Each component of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one purpose: great barbecue flavor. All Regal models come with either 4 or 5 high-quality stainless steel dual-tube side-ported burners. These powerful tube-and-tube burners play a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 120 ports. Each burner has 2 ribbons of flame for a total of 8 or 10 rows across the entire surface of the grill. This means you get more flame and more heat per square inch, and the ultimate in even heat distribution. The stainless steel Flav-R-Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burners. Drippings that fall onto the Flav-R-Wave are instantly vaporized. The vapor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. Broil King's heavy-duty cast iron grids retain the heat for great cooking results. One side is pointed to give you perfect grill marks, while the other side is grooved to capture juices for continuous basting while you cook. When combining Broil King's dual-tube burners, Flav-R-Wave cooking system, and professional-grade cooking grids, you have the luxury of utilizing the entire cooking surface for high-heat searing. Or you have the ability to use a section of the grill as a sear zone. Broil King gives you the performance and the versatility. Made from high-grade stainless steel and cast aluminum, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention and long-lasting durability. It's designed to allow even heat and precise control. Linear flow valves with 180-degree SensiTouch control knobs give you infinite heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. Here are some other great features available on select Regal models. A convenient commercial-grade gas side burner allows you to do more. Create mouth-watering side dishes, soups, or sauces while you grill. Or crank up the heat with Broil King's infrared side burner. Broil King's infrared side burner technology gives you the ability to sear delicious foods quickly and efficiently. Radiant heat from the superheated ceramic tile delivers even and intense searing power for amazing results. The premium stainless steel grid delivers exceptional sear marks. It's also rust-resistant and easy to clean. A powerful rotisserie burner comes complete with a premium rod and motor to consistently deliver even heat for superior roasting results. Made from quality North American steel, the cabinet doors are available in either stainless steel or black powder-coated paint and accented with durable stainless steel handles. All Regal models come equipped with a premium thermometer to show precise temperature. The easy-to-lift lid is available in either stainless steel or a black porcelain enameled finish. The stylish cast aluminum end caps provide added durability and heat retention. When you're grilling at night, the control knobs illuminate to create a look that's both attractive and functional. The stainless steel side shelves come with convenient condiment bins and tool hooks. Keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. All Regal models come with 4 durable locking casters that quickly and firmly stabilize your Broil King on uneven surfaces. Broil King uses high-quality stainless steel for many components. All other steel is zinc-coated and further protected by an epoxy paint that is baked on through a powder coat process. This premium triple coat process provides superior rust protection. The Regal series is backed by an industry-leading warranty. You get 15 years of top-to-bottom coverage, plus a lifetime on the cookbox. This ensures that your grill will perform for many years to come. Proudly built in America and built to last. The Regal series by Broil King. Great barbecues every time.